बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। इस वीडियो लेक्चर में हम PPSC असिस्टेंट डायरेक्टर पेपर हॉर्टिकल्चर हेड ऑन 11/2/2023 को हुआ था, इसके MCQs को डिस्कस करेंगे। तो आइए वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, हु अनाउंस द कम्युनल अवार्ड डैश? करेक्ट आंसर ए, मैकडोनल्ड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, इंटरनेशनल वीमेन डे इज सेलिब्रेटेड ईच ईयर ऑन डैश? Correct answer D, 8 March. Question number 3, 1 byte is equal to dash? Correct answer A, 8 bits. Question number 4, I am getting late dash office? Correct answer B, for. Question number 5, what is the average adult pulse rate dash? Correct answer C, 72 to 80. Question number 6, Operation Midnight Jackal was launched to topple the government of dash? Correct answer A, Benazir Bhutto. Question number 7, red color of tomato is due to dash? Correct answer C, lycopene. Question number 8, cloves are obtained from dash? Correct answer D, unopened flower buds. Question number 9, bunchy top disease of banana is dash? Correct answer B, viral disease. Question number 10, wild strawberry is an example of dash? Correct answer B, stolen. Question number 11, major insects attacking the summer crop of guava during summer crop is dash? Correct answer C, fruit fly. Question number 12, pollination in mango is mainly dash? Correct answer A, house fly. Question number 13, in primary trisomic the extra chromosome is dash? Correct answer C, normal chromosome. Question number 14, a woody plant with a climbing growth habit is called dash? Correct answer D, Viney. Question number 15, citrus fruit is vertically is dash? Correct answer A, Husbandridum berry. Question number 16, in ginger vegetative preparation occurs through dash? Correct answer A, rhizome. Question number 17, the edible part in pomegranate is dash? Correct answer A, juicy testa. Question number 18, mango belongs to which family dash? Correct answer A, Anacardiaceae. Question number 19, okra belongs to family dash? Correct answer A, Malvaceae. Question number 20, the capital of Germany is dash? Correct answer D, Berlin. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my YouTube channel Exams with Munawar.